Welcome to today's section on writing a C++ program. My name is Maram Girdhar and I am doing my BTech second year in Computer Science and Engineering. Today exercise is that array implementation of stack. So by using stack we have to implement the array. Okay, now we can go to the program. Hash include iostream. It is an header file. Using namespace std, it is a library function. We are declaring a global declaration by using hash define maximum 5. Then it will contains only 5 elements. Okay, int f is equal to -1, r is equal to -1, and q of max. Here f and r is front and rear. In with data type int, we are giving three functions: insertion, deletion, and display. Int insertion of int delete of int display of int. It is also in global declarations. After that we are going to main function int main. After that, with data type we are giving some variables, int ch x y z a b c. After that, by using do while loop we can give cout menu and like first insert, delete, display, and exit. For reading this function I am giving c in ch. By using switch case we can give x is equal to insertion of a, and by using case 2 y is equal to deletion of b. In case 3 z is equal to display of c, and after that default, and after that I am giving break, it will stop there. For the condition, do while condition, it will give ch greater than or equal to 1 and ch less than or equal to 3. It will work up to there only. Then after that I am going to insertion of int n1. If r is equal to max minus 1, it will print q is full. By using this condition it will check the whether q is full or not. Otherwise it will go to, if q is not full, it will go to the next loop and it will ask enter the number and c in n1 and q of r is equal to n1. R is equal to r plus 1. Cout is n1. So has been inserted into the stack. Like this it will print. Okay, next int deletion of int n2. If f is equal to r, it will print the q is empty. So by if this condition fails, it will go to the else loop and it will find n2 is equal to q of f and cout n2 and it is deleted. So f is equal to f plus 1. If it will increment the f. After displaying function, int I comma temp is equal to f. By using temp function we can move the elements from front to rear. If f is equal to r, cout q is empty. Otherwise else it will go to cout the elements are, and by using for loop it will print all the elements. I is equal to temp, I less than or equal to r, I plus plus, and cout q of I. And why I am giving space means in between elements it should come space. So now we can run and see the program. See, it's asking insert. So I am giving first menu insert. Enter the number it is asking. I am giving 1. 1 has been inserted into the stack. Next I am giving delete function. So it is asking 2 is deleted. So next I am giving 3. It is q is empty because whatever I entered it is deleted. So 4. It will give exit. Like that it will come. Thank you.